Hi, thanks for joining us for Tax Buzz, another tax update. This time we're going to talk about the tax credit being expanded, the child tax credit being expanded for 2021. My name is Lee Reams, and I'll be discussing this with you today. At any rate, it's great news for parents with young children. The child tax credit has been expanded under the American Rescue Plan that recently passed Congress. It applies to 2021 only. Special deal, they want to get money into people's hands as quickly as possible. And the credit is increased from $2,000 per child to $3,000 for children under the age of 18 and $3,600 for children under the age of 6 at the end of the year. And unlike other years, the credit is fully refundable. And for higher income taxpayers, the increase in the credit is reduced by $50 for each $1,000 a taxpayer's AGI exceeds the threshold. AGI means your adjusted gross income, which generally for most taxpayers means their total of their income. The thresholds are $150,000 for married taxpayers filing jointly, $112,500 for heads of households, and $75,000 for others. And for higher income taxpayers, this credit gets phased out, and that's because this credit is basically to benefit the lower income taxpayers. So anyway, even if you get this gets phased out, this increased amount, they can still qualify for the $2,000 credit per child, subject to the normal phase-out thresholds. So backing up here a little bit, so if you get phased out of the increase in credit from the $2,000 to the $3,000 or the $3,600, you can still qualify for the $2,000 credit as before, but subject to the previous normal phase-out thresholds, which are $400,000 for married taxpayers filing jointly and $2,000 for others. Now, the new twist for 2021, the American Rescue Plan added to a provision that allows the credit to be paid in advance. Now, exactly how this is going to happen, we don't know yet, because the legislation just said the Treasury Department had to figure out how to make these payments. At any rate, the credit will be estimated based on a prior file return, either the 2020 or 2019, if the 2020 hasn't been filed yet. The payments will be equal to 1/12 of the amount of the credit that's estimated based upon those prior file returns. And that credit will be paid in advance in the months July through December. So you get 1/12 of the credit each month, July through December, which means you got half of the credit, and the balance will be credited on the 2021 tax return. Now, just exactly how this is going to work, we don't know yet, because the legislation said the Treasury Department has to work it out. But I'd imagine you'll be getting an automatic deposit to your bank account or a check in the mail monthly. Anyway, thanks you for joining us, and I'll see you next time. Take care.